You stand before your class, ready to dive into today's lesson. As educators, we know that a well-prepared class isn't just about knowing the curriculum inside out. It's about anticipating the questions, the doubts, the curiosities that our students will bring to the table. This foresight enhances the learning experience, creating a seamless flow in the lesson and keeping student engagement high. So, the question then becomes, how do you identify potential student questions? Let's navigate this together. The key to anticipating student questions lies in effective lesson prepping. This starts with a deep dive into your curriculum content. Know your topic inside out and then break it down. Simplify complex ideas into digestible chunks. This isn't just about understanding the content, it's about making it understandable to others. Next, step into your students' shoes. Consider their backgrounds, their learning styles, even their potential misconceptions. What might they find challenging? What concepts might trigger their curiosity? And don't forget to factor in their previous knowledge. What they already know can be a roadmap to what they might ask. But remember, no two students are the same. What one might find easy, another may struggle with. So stay flexible, stay open, and be prepared to adapt your lesson to their needs. Remember, the more you understand your lesson and your students, the better you can anticipate their questions. Now let's delve into some practical tips to help you identify potential student questions. First up, consider creating a question bank. This is a compilation of queries that have come up in previous classes, which can serve as a predictive tool for future lessons. It's a great way to prepare for curveballs that might come your way. Next, let's talk about formative assessments. These are quick, informal checks for understanding that you can use throughout your lesson. They can help you identify areas of confusion among your students and anticipate the questions they might have. Lastly, cultivate an environment where students feel comfortable voicing their thoughts during class. Encourage them to ask questions as they arise. This not only gives you insight into their thought processes, but it also promotes a culture of curiosity and active learning. With these strategies, you're well on your way to becoming a master at anticipating student questions. Identifying potential student questions isn't just about being prepared, it's about enhancing student understanding and engagement. As we've explored, anticipating queries not only boosts curriculum knowledge, but also fosters an interactive learning environment. By prepping lessons with potential questions in mind, you foster a proactive approach to education. You're not just teaching, but preparing students to engage, question, and learn. So educators, it's time to put these strategies into action. Start prepping your lessons with your students' potential questions in mind and watch their understanding soar.